Hello and welcome to Talk Easy English Podcast. I am James. Getting sick is never fun, but getting sick in a foreign country can be scary. You are in pain, you feel weak, and suddenly you have to speak English to get help. You are afraid you won't explain your symptoms correctly. Today, we are going to remove that fear. We are going to build your health survival kit. We will cover the essential phrases for the pharmacy, the doctor's office, and emergencies. We will use our double repetition method. I will say the phrase, I will ask you to repeat, and then I will say it again, calmly and clearly, right before you speak. This ensures you can ask for help with confidence, even if you are not feeling well. If you believe health is the most important thing, please press the like button. Let's make sure you are prepared for anything. Thank you. Let's start at the pharmacy. Often, you don't need a doctor. You just need some medicine for a minor problem. You need to explain what is wrong. Listen again and speak. I have a terrible headache. Repeat, I have a terrible headache. Do you have anything for a cold? Repeat, do you have anything for a cold? My throat is very sore. Repeat, my throat is very sore. I have a bad cough. Repeat, I have a bad cough. I think I have a fever. Repeat, I think I have a fever. Now, you need to ask about the medicine. You need to know how to take it and if it is safe for you. Do I need a prescription for this? Repeat, do I need a prescription for this? How many pills should I take? Repeat. How many pills should I take? Does this cause drowsiness? Repeat. Does this cause drowsiness? I am allergic to penicillin. Repeat. I am allergic to penicillin. Is it safe to take this with food? Repeat. Is it safe to take this with food? Drowsiness means it makes you sleepy. Very important to know if you are driving. Now let's imagine the problem is more serious. You need to go to the doctor. First, you have to make an appointment or check in at the front desk. I need to see a doctor, please. Repeat, I need to see a doctor, please. Do you have any appointments today? Repeat. Do you have any appointments today? I have health insurance. Repeat. I have health insurance. It is an emergency. Repeat. It is an emergency. I am feeling very dizzy. Repeat. I am feeling very dizzy. You are in the doctor's room. The doctor asks, what seems to be the problem? You need to describe pain. Is it sharp? Is it dull? Does it hurt when you move? I have a sharp pain in my chest. Repeat. I have a sharp pain in my chest. My stomach really hurts. Repeat. My stomach really hurts. It hurts when I breathe. Repeat. It hurts when I breathe. I twisted my ankle. Repeat. I twisted my ankle. I have been vomiting all night. Repeat. I have been vomiting all night. I want to pause for a moment. When we are sick, we all have a special comfort food or a home remedy that our mothers or grandmothers used to make. What is the best home remedy in your country? Is it tea with honey, chicken soup, ginger, Tell me in the comments below. I love learning about these traditions. Welcome back. Now the doctor will give you instructions during the physical exam. You need to understand these commands so you don't feel confused. Please take a deep breath. Repeat. Please take a deep breath. Open your mouth and say ah. Repeat. Open your mouth and say ah. Does it hurt when I press here? Repeat. Does it hurt when I press here? Let me check your blood pressure. Repeat. Let me check your blood pressure. You need to get a blood test. Repeat. You need to get a blood test. Finally, let's cover emergency situations. Hopefully you will never use these phrases, but if you see an accident or if you are in danger, you must be loud and clear. Call an ambulance. Repeat. Call an ambulance. He is not breathing. Repeat. He is not breathing. Where is the nearest hospital? Repeat. Where is the nearest hospital? I need help immediately. Repeat. I need help immediately. Please stay with me. Repeat. Please stay with me. The doctor finishes the exam. He gives you a diagnosis and a plan. You need to understand the treatment. You need to rest for a few days. Repeat. You need to rest for a few days. Drink plenty of water. Repeat. Drink plenty of water. Take this medicine twice a day. Repeat. Take this medicine twice a day. Come back if it gets worse. Repeat. Come back if it gets worse. You will feel better soon. Repeat. You will feel better soon. You will feel better soon. That is the phrase we all want to hear. Health vocabulary is not just words. It is safety. Knowing how to say I am allergic can save your life. Save this video in your travel playlist. Review it before you go on a trip. If you feel safer now, please subscribe to Talk Easy English Podcast. We want you to be healthy, happy, and fluent. Thank you for practicing with me. I am James. Stay healthy, stay safe, and keep talking easy. Goodbye.